I get asked also every single day about people that want to start a movie channel. And I know my advice for them. What are your kind of quick advice that you pass along to anybody that wants to start a movie channel, especially now that we're in quarantine so everyone has time to hook up their webcam and start talking movies? What's your advice?
Oh man, without being too generic, obviously have a good camera, good lighting, blah blah blah, right? You have to have a personality too. If you don't have anything interesting to say, then why make the video? Why would someone watch your video compared to the 800 other reviews of Bloodshot out there, right? So bring something unique to it. And if you don't quite have that yet, develop it. And you can do that. Just starting out on YouTube, you're not going to be the best ever. You're not going to be the greatest. But, at least bring something different. Don't use people as inspiration, but don't copy anyone's style because we already have that version of someone on YouTube that you can watch. And if you're going to attempt to be successful like them, you're not going to catch up to them doing that. So I would say just bring something unique and be yourself. And, I think that's the best advice I can give.
Yeah, that's the one that I see so many people that I totally get taking inspiration, but when it's just such a direct one-to-one, and it's the thumbnail design, it's the titles, it's the type of content, and it's like, man, you're just when I first started seeing it, for me, I was, it's of course flattering when I started seeing all these people with their face pointing to the left, 4 posters with a shadow, and it's like, that's like my exact thumbnail design that took me about a year to figure out how to do it, and you just did it. And it's kind of flattering. I'm not offended or anything like that. And I've taken inspiration for things. My set looks way too much like Chris Stuckman's, and I get it. But at the same time, like when it's every single detail, it's like, come on, you got to find that new thing, because you're competing against me, or you're competing against Flickinger, Stuckman, or Johns, whoever it is that you're copying, you're competing against them, and you'll never win. You'll never be better at Flickinger, Stuckman, Johns, Chandler than they are at being themselves. So you got to
listen, Sean. Don't worry. People say I'm copying Stuckman's set, even though I did mine first. It's okay. You'll never win. You'll never win.
I met him at Fantastic Fest last year and got to talk with him a little bit. And just in case, I asked him, like, hey, man, my set looks it was definitely inspired. And I looked at yours, too, as well. So I hope you're not deeply offended that I looked at your idea of being in a corner with shelves behind you.
It's copyrighted. I'm the only person. Me and Stuckman are the only 2 people on YouTube who can sit in the corner. So, okay, you sit in a circle.
That's what he told me. He's like, I'm deeply offended, and he just threw his drink in my face and walked off because I'm in a corner with a blue wall.
As he should have. Yes.
Right. And I still have people messaging me. You're ripping him off. I was like, kind of, maybe. He doesn't care. Why do you? Like, who cares? Why are you paying so much attention to the aesthetics?